This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you wish to turn off System Restore on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command Control Panel and hit Enter to open the Control Panel window. Change the view to large icons. Scroll down to Recovery and click on it. Select Configure System Restore. This will open the System Properties window. Go to the System Protection tab. From the list of available drives, select C drive. Click on Configure. Check the radio button corresponding to Disable System Protection. Click on Apply and then OK to save these settings. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.